Hello, and welcome to Restoration Christian Academy. With a good education, a young adult can enter the next part of life with confidence, direction, and purpose, fully prepared to face what lies ahead. Our goal is to help each child who enrolls in our school complete high school and be well equipped for the next phase of their life. On the other hand, a child without an education is a child with little hope for a promising future. And without a good education, many of today's children become tomorrow's problems for society or spend many years floating through life without purpose or direction. However, a number of these potential problems could be averted with the right educational opportunity. We have more than 20 years' experience writing children's success stories. We've helped students who are academically advanced, students who are academically challenged, and all levels of students in between. We've even written many success stories with students that have learning challenges like ADD, ADHD, dyslexia, dysgraphia, as well as some other types. Many of these types of students come to us from other schools' special education departments. At our school, they're not put into special ed. In fact, we don't even have a special education department. Children that have completed school should never have to spend any time trying to overcome the stigma of having been a special ed student, or thinking their education just doesn't measure up. When students finish at our school, they never will. What are the secrets of our success? We believe there are 5 characteristics that sets us apart from other schools and have helped us achieve the success that we've enjoyed for these 20 plus years. First, we use an individualized approach to education that helps identify each child's learning modality. Each student is unique and deserves a flexible program that better meets his or her individual academic needs. With the 4 types of learning modalities, auditory, visual, kinesthetic, and tactile, and students with learning challenges like ADD, ADHD, dyslexia, dysgraphia, as well as some others, the individualized approach to education helps better meet the needs of each student. Any student at Restoration Christian Academy can get extended testing time and be orally tested whenever a student needs it. In fact, oral testing is pretty much a daily occurrence in our program. This type of approach prevents the advanced student from being held back by a class that's progressing slower than that student's ability, and the academically challenged student doesn't feel the pressure of falling behind in a class that's moving faster than that student's ability. Students are brought to the instructor where they receive one-on-one attention as needed. This part of our program is, and will remain a critical part of our success. Secondly, we use a unique curriculum. Each student accomplishes his or her daily schoolwork and completes all quizzes on a laptop computer using an academically advanced, Bible-based, fully multimedia curriculum. The computerized curriculum establishes the student's lesson plan for the entire year and assigns a due date for each lesson, quiz, and test. There's never a pop quiz or an excuse for not preparing. And a student receives a grade on each lesson, quiz, or test immediately upon exiting it. Because all grades are kept on the laptop as well as on the school server, parents can daily stay informed of their child's progress. Parents never have to wait for interim reports or report cards to find out how their child is progressing. They're always informed. Thirdly, we offer a quiet, structured learning environment. The right environment is necessary for students to be able to concentrate on their academics and absorb the enormous amount of information students are exposed to in school. This means keeping distractions to a minimum throughout the day as much as possible. Our Christ-centered, quiet, and structured learning environment is ideal for the student who wants to succeed. It allows for each student to perform at an optimal level. Fourthly, we emphasize character building. Our philosophy of education includes a strong emphasis on character building. Through our Christ-centered program, which includes the Bible-based curriculum, daily devotions, weekly chapels, and a selection of proper role models for the Learning Center, students are strongly encouraged to develop good character. Fifthly, we try to choose Christian role models for your children. For children to develop good character, they must have good role models in their life who choose to habitually demonstrate good character. We place a premium on selecting instructors whose values and lifestyle reflect the type of character responsible parents want for their children. While none of us are perfect, we do attempt to hire only individuals whose personal values line up with the Christian values we teach.